And the Investment Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2024 is now headed to the National Assembly following the completion of the Stakeholders validation exercise. The bill seeks to establish Kenya Investment Corporation and set up a one-stop shop investment center to facilitate and coordinate investments in the country.
The new bill proposes for the mandatory registration of foreign investors at the Investment Authority in an effort to ensure accurate and comprehensive data collection on foreign investments within the country. Stakeholders say this data is crucial for policymakers to monitor investments trends, analyze their impact on the economy, and make informed decisions.
It is no doubt, and I know we're all aware, that the investment sector and the contribution we make to this bill towards enhancing the right environment and increasing the investments we want to see in the country is directly related to the revival of our economy.
Additionally, the bill introduces an investment registration certificate, a review of the investment threshold, as well as a comprehensive investment incentives framework to attract and retain investors in priority sectors. This coming at a time when Kenya is looking to remain competitive in an ever-evolving business environment.
Persuaded by government policy shifts, convinced by economic changes domestically and internationally, taken aback by legal challenges, and justified by the ever-evolving marketing conditions, we as Ken Invest embarked on a process to make the Investment Promotion Act.
As part of the legislative process, Ken Invest undertook stakeholder engagement and public participation in 6 economic blocks across the country that accorded citizens the opportunity to have a say and interrogate the draft bill. The bill will now be transmitted to the National Assembly for consideration. Alanauko, Prime Edition.